Let's face it, just because you homeschool, that does not mean your kids love school. Well, today I want to show you some fun ways to bring joy into your homeschool. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am a homeschooling mom to 3 children. I have been homeschooling for 9 years as of right now, and I make homeschooling videos on curriculum reviews, homeschooling day in the lives, tips, everything basically to help you on your homeschooling journey. I also incorporate motherhood videos and family vlogs as well. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're interested in that kind of content. Today I want to share with you some fun activities that we have done this week to add into our Fun Friday. So if you are new to homeschooling and you're curious as to what Fun Friday is, Fun Friday is basically any day that you pick during the week. It doesn't have to be weekly, it could be monthly. And it's basically a day where you just add all kinds of fun educational activities to your homeschooling. It's the day where you get to toss out your curriculum and just have fun with your kids. If you are an unschooler or interest-led learning homeschooler, these ideas would work for you too. So today our theme was Halloween because this was recorded the day before Halloween. So make sure to remember that you guys can use any theme that you want for your fun activities or not have a theme at all. So I'm going to show you kind of how it works with the theme, and then you guys can put your own spin on it. I hope you enjoy this video. We started out the morning with a math game called Pet Me that teaches children how to divide. The kids love playing this game as they roll the dice to feed pets while doing basic division. And the cool thing about this game is if you are a Singapore math fan, it is aligned to Singapore math guidelines. I will leave a link in the description below. The next thing we did was bake cupcakes, and I introduced the younger girls to fractions and explained the importance of being able to read and follow directions, as my oldest daughter, who didn't want to be on camera by the way, led the cooking. The next activity was Sight Word Twister, where I taped some sight words that the girls were working on onto our Twister game. For my preschooler, I had her find colors that I asked for, and my son joined in just for fun. Educational activities such as documentaries or even YouTube videos are a great tool. Today we watched a YouTube video on the history of Halloween. I made sure to take time to pause the video to make sure the younger kids understood what was being said. For art, we watched how to draw a candy corn character on Art Hub in honor of Halloween. I will post the link for this channel in the description below. The next activity was just for fun, and we made slime. This can be a science activity if you want to explain how the ingredients change texture when added together.
No day
day is complete without a little reading, so we read some monster-themed poetry today, and then I read a Halloween story. I'm going to make a separate video on poetry tea time for boys, featuring these books that I got for my son. The last thing we did on this day was go on a nature scavenger hunt walk and had a little nature study in the process. We had 2 separate scavenger hunts, one to find things and one for the senses to see what we could feel, hear, see, touch, and smell. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some ideas for your next fun Homeschool Friday. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.